Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to analyze a brace in Patran. First of all, we need to create a new database and we're gonna call it brace. We type the name and then we click OK. We're gonna have a message here that says approximate maximum dimension. We're gonna leave it as it is and click OK. Now we're gonna import a file. For that, we need to click on File and Import, and I previously made a brace in SolidWorks. We're gonna need to import it as a parasolid. This message, we click OK. Now this is the brace. If you want to see it more clearly, we're gonna click on smooth shaded and ISO 1 view. You can zoom out so you can see it completely. And the next step that we're gonna make is to mesh the solid. For that, we go to the meshing tab and we need to make sure the create mesh and then solid. When we need to make sure that TED mesh and TED 10 are all selected. We're gonna click on input list and screen select all the solid. We're gonna leave the automatic calculation and marked and click apply. Now we need to create a load. For that, we go to the load BC tabs and create a load in total load and element uniform. We're gonna set the name as force and then click input data. We need to put 0 minus 5000 and 0. For the select application region, we're gonna click on that little circle that is there and then click add. OK. And now we're gonna click on apply. We're gonna click yes on that message, and there is the force is applied on the circle. Now we need to create a constraint for the brace. First, we're gonna go to load, create displacements and nodal. And we're gonna set the name as fixed and click and input data 0, 0 and 0 separated by a space. In application region, we're gonna need to click on surface or face and click on the lower circle and click OK and apply. Now we have a constraint for displacements in the brace. Now we're gonna change the material properties. How do we do that? Now we're gonna go to properties tab and isotropic, and isotropic and manual input. We're gonna click on name it as aluminum, and for input properties you're gonna put 10E6 for the elastic modulus, and Poisson's radio we're gonna put 0.3. click OK and apply. And now we're gonna create 3D element properties. For that, we need to go to properties of a solid, create 3D and solid. We're gonna set the name as 3D TETs, 3D TETs, and click on input properties, select the aluminum and then click OK. For the application region, we're gonna screen select all the solid and click add and then OK and then apply. Now we're gonna check the load case. For that we go to create load case, but instead of create we choose modify. We're just making sure that the two previous steps that we made are okay. So they are okay, and we click cancel. So now we need to analyze the solid. For that we go to analysis, and instead of full run we go to analysis deck. We need to click on translation parameters, and then in card format we're gonna put small. Solution type, we need to click on solution type and make sure that linear static is select for, and then click apply. Now we need to open Nastran and select the file that was created by the analysis. It must be the name brace and BDF, point BDF. We click run, we wait a little. Now, instead of analysis, we go to analysis results and select the XDB file. Okay, we need to wait a little and then click OK and apply. Now we're gonna display the results. We go to the results tab and create the formation, and we're gonna leave that as it is and select displacements transitional. Leave everything as it is and click apply. Now the software is going to show the formation in the solid by applying those forces. Now the next step is to click on display plot erase. Click erase under geometry, click OK. Now we're gonna click on display attributes in the previous tab and deselect the show under form square. And now we're gonna, for render style, we're gonna choose shaded. I'm sorry that, but we're gonna deselect that, and in the render style we're gonna choose shaded, yes, and click apply. And that is the shaded solid. Now we're gonna click on fringe, go all the way down and select stress tensor. We're gonna click on display attributes and then select element edges on display. Click apply, and that's all. We have now the brace analyzed in Patran, and we created a mesh, and now we can save our project. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Remember that you need to click on quit and not on the X.